Hey dolls and gents, it's Kimberly and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be, of course, y'all see by my background, we are getting all ready for the spring, y'all. So today's video is going to be all about spring essentials. So if you want to see my spring essentials and what I need for this heat, honey, make sure you keep on watching. So I am in this lovely outside because I am so ready for the spring to get here, honey. I know y'all are just living for this glow that I have going on right here, and I'm going to get into that. That's probably going to be one of the items that I show last, but get into this glow. Yes, honey. So let's go ahead and get started into my first item. I have majority of these items I have used today. So the first item that I am going to mention in my spring essentials is this Naked Heat palette from Urban Decay. I really love this palette. I actually have it on today. So I love the colors in this palette. I love how springy they are. I'm not really a fan of like bright colors, but I absolutely love this palette because it showcases neutrals, but it still has like some little pops of like golds and bronzes. So that is like my favorite thing to have during these spring and summer months. It's like a bronzy look. So that is kind of like the aesthetic that we're going to go for. So all of these items are going to be more so geared towards the bronze glow. Of course, you know, you can't be in the springtime and not have a good bronzer. So of course I had to mention the Fenty bronzer. This is in the color Mocha Mommy. Y'all know I have used this, and I have used this already in a lot of my videos, and this is what it looks like. I absolutely love this bronzer. I like to bronze up my face, so I normally do it around my cheeks. I do it on my forehead, kind of slim out the jawline and stuff like that. As y'all know, I live in the South, and putting makeup on in the South is already kind of like a hit or miss. It's like, do you really want to wear a full face of makeup when your face is gonna be sweating and all that stuff? But I am here to show y'all these sweat proof primers that I have found that work really good. So of course during the springtime you're pretty much good, but during the summertime is when you really need to make sure that you have a really good primer. So these primers I have been loving. These are, y'all already know, the Becca primer, the Evermatte, as well as the Milk Hydro Grip. I have been loving both of those primers. Normally with both of these I don't find that I have to actually set my face. Normally, like if I'm using a primer that's not these, normally I have to go in and actually set that, and then like it will, you know, I won't shine as much. But these I don't really find that I do, but in case I am looking for that added mattness, like a super matte look, then I will go in with a primer, a powder. The powder that I have been loving lately is this Anastasia Beverly Hills powder. This is in the color Deep Peach and it looks like this. I absolutely love this powder. Normally what I do is set it underneath my eye. I absolutely love the color of it. It's like this super deep orange yellowy color, so it's super golden, and I absolutely love how it looks underneath my eye. If you guys can see that, I like how it sets. It doesn't leave like those lines and everything like that. It doesn't sit in there. It actually does what it's supposed to. Now I have not been baking as of lately, so what I do is just take a dry beauty sponge and I just press it into the face and literally just let it just melt into the skin, and then I'll just spray like a setting spray on top of it, and I have been loving those results. I haven't found that my face looks cakey. It doesn't look dry. It just the perfect amount of powder to set underneath the eye and give you that like flawless airbrush look, and y'all know I live for that. So yeah, I have been loving that powder. That I will say that I will use either all over my face like as an overall set, or I will use these underneath the foundation on top of the primer. I have been loving this Laura Mercier translucent medium deep, and it looks like this. Medium deep is definitely a oldie but a goodie. Laura Mercier, she or he knows what to do when it comes to these setting powders. I absolutely love it. This is the color of this medium deep, and it is like this super rich chocolate color, and it matches my skin tone perfectly. So again, if you want to use this all over your face, you can do that, or you can also set your primer with it. So this works perfect. I absolutely love a good matte setting spray when it comes to the spring and summer months. I absolutely need that extra just matteness. You can spray these type of setting sprays throughout the day on top of your makeup, or you can even like reuse it. So basically, like if you feel like you need that extra little boost, I'll spray this on. And this is the e.l.f. matte. This is the matte blotting mist. So instead of like an actual blotting paper, which I absolutely love, you can just use this spray. So I absolutely love how this keeps my face matte, especially when it dries down. It's not gonna do it when you first put it on, but when it dries down, you can tell a difference. Y'all, I didn't wet my whole face up. Okay, so the next product that I am going to mention is this hyaluronic acid aloe spray. I absolutely love this spray because it's like a wake up facial mist. I absolutely love this one. It says that it refreshes and moisturizes dry skin. So I like to spray this on in the morning time. My friend got this. I think she got this from like TJ Maxx, because I know the brand. Y'all know I absolutely live for TJ Maxx, so I know pretty much all the stuff that's in there. So this is what it looks like. It is from the brand Advanced Clinicals, and again, this is the hyaluronic and aloe facial mist, the wake up mist. So again, like in the morning time, I'll just spray this on just to wake myself up prior to going into my actual skincare routine. So I like this stuff. Moving right along, the last actual skincare product, like for your face, beauty related, I really like this Pixie Glow Tonic because it gives like that healthy glow. It has been doing a really good job at evening out my skin tone. I found this at Target. A lot of people have been raving about this product, but the only thing about this, y'all, this little bottle is a bit pricey. I think I got this for like $18 or $15 from Target. It looks like this. And this is the, again, the Pixie Glow Tonic. But I absolutely love this stuff, and I have noticed a difference in my overall skin complexion. So this is a must. If you know, you must have an SPF when it comes to the spring and summer months. As a black girl, a woman of color, people say like it's a very bad stigmatism that we don't need SPF, but I am here to tell you that you absolutely need SPF. SPFs are really important because these are going to help prevent any type of darkness, any type of skin cancers. It's not going to bring on any type of other like skin problems. So I would definitely recommend trying this out. This is the Black Girl Sunscreen, so it is made for women of color. You can put this on your face, your body. I absolutely love using this on my face because it's super light and it's not like sticky. It doesn't have a smell to it. This one has a lot of good coverage, a lot of good products in it, and they're natural. So this one has jojoba oil and avocado. It says that it's water resistant for 80 minutes. I would definitely recommend you guys getting a sunscreen, and this is what it looks like. You can also pick this one up at Target. It belongs to another small black owned businesses, me, of course. So if you guys are looking for something that is going to be really it's going to be a really good scrub for the skin to remove those dead skin cells, to remove just all type of impurities. It's going to even out your skin tone. It's also going to be really good for giving your skin that nice boost of hydration that you're looking for. I would definitely recommend trying my Lovely Moisture body scrub, and this is the lavender scent. I absolutely love how this one smells. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like up close. This is made with all natural ingredients, so make sure you support your girl. I absolutely love using this. It's going to reveal a nice healthy glow. All of my products are made with natural ingredients, so they're going to be really good for the skin, healthy. They're not going to break you out. So yeah, this is again my brand, the Lovely Moisture. Get into it. And this is the, again, the lavender body scrub. scents for you guys. You know you can't go into the spring and summer months without having like that good flirty perfume. So I have two different ones. I have the Chanel Chance. This is the Auto Tundra. I don't know how to pronounce this, y'all. It is a weird name, but this is what it looks like. It is the pink one. This one smells so good. I actually have it on now, and I just love how fresh and fruity this one smells. This one's definitely like one of those date night scents. It's super sexy, and it smells so captivating. I love how fresh and fruity this one smells, so I would definitely recommend you guys picking this one up. So again, this is the Chance Auto Tundra, or whatever it is. This is that one. And this one just smells so sophisticated. It smells like money. So I would definitely recommend you trying this one. The second fragrance that I have, this one is the Dolce & Gabbana Garden. And this one smells how this little vibe back here is giving. So it smells like you're in a garden. It's super sexy and sweet. It's another one of those like super floral fragrances. So I would definitely recommend this one if you like something floral, but it's not like super sweet like the Tundra from Chanel. This one is going to be more of like, it has more of a warm like vanilla scent to the back note. So yeah, I like this one as well. Last but not least, the star of the show, if you guys want to see what I have on the shoulders, if you stay to the end, I recently picked this up. This is the Hard Candy Just Glow All Over Body Luminizer. This one says that it's transfer resistant, skin glowing, and I will say it has fresh coconut scent on it. It looks like this. I picked this up from my local Walmart. Now you have to make sure that you get the right color. This is in the color Lit Up Bronze. So I would definitely recommend this one. Now what I will say with this right here, I would definitely recommend that you actually put it in with some type of oil. So if you mix it with my oil, I would definitely recommend that, or mixing it in with some type of like lotion or something, just so it thins it out. It's like it is thick, so it's gonna just be everywhere, and I didn't like that, so I kind of like to thin it out with the lotion. So I would definitely recommend this though. Apply it with your fingertips, put it on with a sponge, and let me let y'all see a swatch of it. But see how that looks? It just looks so good. So imagine wearing like a little pretty little dress and this being all over your legs. It's just gonna give you that super glowy skin. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe. Share this with your friends and family. I am almost to 1,000 subscribers, and I am so thankful for you guys. See you guys next time. Make sure you guys put down below what you guys would like to see more of. Hope you guys are having an amazing day, an amazing weekend.